Welcome back to another episode of Daniel's Garage. This morning, came out, started my car, started up a little slow, and well, the dash wasn't coming on, the radio wasn't coming on, and all the gauges were flickering on and off all over the place. Telltale sign of a low battery or a poorly performing alternator. So I took the alternator out, had it tested, putting it back in now. Alternator tested out fine. Also had the battery tested. It was only 2 years old, and it tested terrible. Would not hold a charge for the life of it. So got a new battery, putting everything back in, putting the original alternator back in. And from a previous video, we had all that corrosion on the top of the battery. I'm trying to clean that off. So now I know why there was all that corrosion on the battery. The battery terminal, the positive terminal itself, had actually broken out of the battery and was leaking battery acid out of the top and actually completely corroded the positive terminal so bad that it's crumbled. Make sure the belt's tight enough, but not too tight. Alright, throw this positive terminal back on. Alright, plug that guy back in. And time for a new battery. So we look at the terminal, completely corroded. Actually broke the bolt right off. I tried to wire brush the inside to get a better connection, but it's so corroded, even the wires were terrible. So I actually have a new terminal to install. This one's not too bad. Alright, so I'm going to install the new battery, a couple new terminals. So, get the new battery for the new van. Battery in. Throw the battery clamp back on. Either way, that's a lot of corrosion in there. Let's see if we can get those out. Nicely done. Right tool for the right job. There we go. Toss that in the trash. Alright, spray some battery cleaner on these wires. Clean them up just a little bit. off all this stuff. And much cleaner. At least it'll suffice for now. Now, I'll dry up the battery just a little bit. Alright. Grab the new terminal. So I'm just using some basic El Cheapo clamps from Walmart. I've had my best luck with those in previous cars. And they're holding up better than these $20 Stinger battery clamps that I bought specifically for, you know, heavy applications. Nice and tight, don't move. Everything's all connected. Let's do some cleaning up, give it a start. Alright. Everything's all tight, belt's back on, cover's on, everything's tight. Let's give it a start. So when I started it this morning, it was really slow to start. None of those gauges worked. Starts right up. Everything's running like it should now. Fan works. Unlock the door so we can get back in. Nothing's loose or rattling around. Everything sounds like it's back to normal. So this concludes this episode. Stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, subscribe.